Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video of the 2016 218D M Sport 2-door coupe. The vehicle is presented in Melbourne red, features the full YNC body enhancement package. Also comes with some very sought after BMW options. So at the front it comes with the angled out and Xenon headlamps. Behind the freshly refurbished 18-inch M Sport alloys you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and we have got the full M Sport Plus package on the car. Down the side, gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. You'll also see the sun protection glazing, again thanks to that Plus package. Inside, again, is another sought after option. It does come with the full black Dakota leather. The front seats are also heated. And this car does come with a 6-speed manual. And we have also got the Harman Kardon surround sound, as you can see there. In the rear, there is a 2-seat Isofix rear bench with the central storage tray, and again all of which has been kept in really nice condition on this 2 Series. Round towards the back, again you can see just how well the alloys have turned out on this car. And we've got the M rear spoiler in body colour, satin rear diffuser. If you've not yet had a chance to see the boot space for the 2 Series, you'd be very pleasantly surprised with just how big that area is. The seats do also fold down as well. Around onto the driver's side now, where again everything's really nice and clean and tidy, and as you can see, really does work extremely well with the additions that we make. Inside, a couple of bits to show you. Multi-function M Sport steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. It's covered just over 21,000 miles, so again it's a nice low mileage example. There is of course the dual climate controls, the switches for the front heated seats, BMW business navigation and media. So there, as you can see, the nav screen open, Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Front and rear parking sensors on this car. So there is a look around another fantastically presented 218D. If you'd like some more information, all you have to do is simply click on the links I'll leave for you in the description. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care. Bye bye.